So as you can see in front of me, this is known as the neck mount. And the beauty of this thing, this small device, is that you can use this device to put actually your mobile phone over here, and you can record actually a first person perspective of any video. So yeah, I bought it today from Five Below. This costed me just $5. And as you can see that it's a neck mount, and it is good for gamer and people who are making their recipe video. You don't need a extra person to show actually a first person perspective. And as you can see that it can also uh, it can be also used for in different mobiles, because this is pretty adjustable thing, as you can see here. And it will make your both the hands free. So pretty much once your both the hands are free, you can do much more things, and you can do a review video or unpacking video, or those kind of things with this. And I'm going to use it in my future videos in my YouTube channel, because in the past I had really hard time opening boxes and unboxing videos with my single hand. So this will be a nice addition to my vlogging. So yeah, just stay in touch, and and follow me on social media. Thanks for watching.